Welcome to Kitchen Magic with Brandy. So today I am making y'all my famous cobbler recipe. It's a super easy recipe. This is the thing that I keep on the back burner for when all of a sudden I find out that my kids are bringing friends home, or somebody's coming over to say hi or whatever, and I want to make sure that I have a dessert available for them because it's quick and it's easy pantry items. So first thing you want to do, and I wanted to show y'all this, my new pot. I actually got this from Jeannie. She's the owner of Lucky Sky Graphics up the hill. So if you're here in San Marcos and you need any kind of printing needs, she's awesome. But she gave this to me, and I hope she gets to see it on this video because she knows how much I love my blue one that I've already shown y'all on previous ones. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take half a stick of butter and melt in the bottom of this pan. Because that's gonna give us all those beautiful crispy edges of butteriness that we love so much. While my butter is melting, we are going to go ahead and make up our ingredients. I did go ahead and turn my oven on 350 to get it to start doing its thing. So we're going to use a cup of Bisquick. We're going to use a cup of milk. We're going to use a cup of sugar. And in this case, I'm doing blueberries. So these are actually frozen blueberries that I just keep a bag in the freezer. You can do blueberries, peaches, whatever kind of cobbler you want for your fruit. It's the same recipe. You might want to add, like when I do peach, I add cinnamon to it. But other than that, and when I do blueberry, I usually like to use almond extract because I like how blueberry and almond taste together. But so we're going to do a cup of Bisquick. We're going to do a cup of sugar. Box is getting in the way. Okay, just dump in a cup of sugar. If you were going to do peach cobbler and you want to do cinnamon, this is where you'd add your cinnamon. We're going to mix up all of our dry ingredients. We break up any clumps that might be in that Bisquick. See what this looks like? Here we go. Okay, and now we're going to use our almond extract. We're only going to put it, we're going to add it to our milk here. And we're only going to add about a teaspoon because almond extract a little goes a long way. So we're going to add in our milk with our extract. So just 1 cup milk. Teaspoon of extract. You can do vanilla extract. You could be creative. It depends on what kind of fruit you're using. So for my peach cobbler, I do vanilla, and then, like I said, I add some cinnamon. This one right here is a blueberry cobbler, so I'm doing almond. Now this is extremely loose. When you see it, you're going to think, there is no way I did this right. Nope, you did it right. It is very liquidy, okay? That's actually the consistency that you're looking for. Okay, so our butter is all nice and melty. That melted butter in there. So we're just going to take our liquid mixture and we're going to pour it directly into the center of this butter. Okay, you don't want to swish it around. That butter is going to kind of try to envelope it a little bit. So I pour it straight into the center. And then same thing with our blueberries. We're going to sprinkle our blueberries in, primarily in our center. Okay, and we just want to take this and put this in our oven on 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. All right, let's check on this cobbler. Oh, wow. And look at how yummy that is. I usually sprinkle a little sugar on top of it, and that it's ready to serve.